guys? Chelsea Cush here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna be showing you a super quick, easy recipe. It's really freaking good. I just made it for the first time yesterday. It's an easy almond butter recipe with my Vitamix. I'm just doing a little short video for you guys because I'm freaking sick, as you probably can tell. But I don't want to leave you hanging, you know, I gotta pull through with my videos. So it's just gonna be quick and easy, but it is so freaking good. This recipe has to be made with a high pressure blender. I don't think that this recipe will work with a regular blender because this thing is like super heavy duty. I'll put a link below to the Vitamix that I have. I know they're pretty pricey, but they're awesome. They're super handy and you can do like tons of different things with them. So I'll put a link below. I'm just gonna jump into the recipe and show you how to make it. You can honestly just use, this is basically a base recipe. So you can start with this and then you can add in different types of sweeteners or flavors. I added coconut oil. The last time I made it, I added coconut oil and coconut flakes, which was pretty good. But I'm just gonna show you the basic recipe that I make, and it's so freaking good. It's so good. There's literally one ingredient. You can add oil if you want, which I did because I wanted it to be more creamy, but you don't have to add it if you don't want. So I'm gonna jump into the recipe and show you guys how freaking easy it is, and you're just gonna love it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know if you've tried making almond butter before, let me know. First, start by adding 2 cups of lightly salted dry roasted almonds to the Vitamix. Now you're going to want to start your Vitamix on level 1 and slowly work your way up to level 10. And leave it at 10 for about 15 seconds, then move it back down to about level 7. Once it's been a minute, I turn it off and scrape down the sides. Once you've done that, put the lid back on and run it at level 7 for about another minute. Once it's been a minute, then I push stop and add a teaspoon of coconut oil and let it run for another 40 seconds on level 7. Scrape the sides down and you are done. Seriously, that was super fast. It took like 3 minutes and then you're done. Basically a 1 ingredient recipe. You know what's going inside. There's not all those weird additives and extra crap in there. I mean, this stuff is so rich and creamy, it's just unbelievable. I was shocked when I made it because I didn't think that it would make it that good. I thought it was gonna be hard and dry, you know, and it was just so smooth and creamy. And adding that coconut oil really helps. If you don't like coconut oil, you can add like a flavorless oil to just help it with the creaminess. Now I'm gonna try it for you guys. I'm just gonna dig in, get a big spoonful, and just go to town. Ready? That's so good. I got all in my teeth. That's so good. You can have this with apples, with toast. I'm just eating it straight up. That's fire. My kids have been freaking eating it off the spoon, like spoonfuls of this stuff. Just straight up. It's freaking good. You don't have to use salted. I just use the lightly salted. I'm sure it'll change the flavor if you have really salted almonds. You could also roast them yourself and put a little salt on them if you want, but I was just lazy, so I used the next best thing, which was buying them from the store, already roasted and lightly salted. That's it for the recipe. I'm gonna go take off all my makeup, go lay down, because I don't feel good. But I'm glad I was able to jump in and just give you a little quick recipe, and hopefully next week I'll be feeling better. Please, God, hopefully. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I post videos every single Monday, so you don't want to miss out on my videos. Click the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos, and if you hit the little bell that's next to the subscribe button, that will notify you when I post a video so you don't forget, so you never miss any of my videos. I'm gonna go. I'm feeling like crap. I'll see you guys next Monday for a new freaking video. Bye!